Morning everybody. It's lovely to be able to speak to you all again after the Easter break. I hope you all had a lovely restful time with your families and kept safe. So we're starting or continuing with our home learning journey again today. Going forward, things are going to be a little bit different to how they were before the Easter break. So whereas before you had your paper packs that we were telling you what you needed to complete in, now everything is going to be on your iPads, which is really exciting. So you're going to have 4 activities to do every day. There will be an English activity, a maths activity, a topic-based activity, and an arts or computing activity. All the activities that you'll be set each day should take between 30 to 45 minutes each to complete. Now it might be that it takes you less time than that, or it might take you more. That's absolutely fine. This is just a guide to give you an idea how much time to set aside for these activities. We'd also like you to have a go at doing them as independently as possible. And the activities have been selected and designed to allow you to do that. But of course, if you have any questions or there's just something that doesn't make sense and you're struggling to understand it, you can ask us on Seesaw. There will always be somebody there, either myself, Mrs. Brown, Miss Tumulty, Miss Hare or Mrs. Sowerby. One of us will always be online between the hours of 9 and 4 to answer questions. So if you're stuck, ask a question and we'll be able to help. So today, your activities are as follows. Your first activity is for English. I would like you to complete a word search for your new spellings, which is on Seesaw as an activity. After that, I would like you to then complete the All About Greece activity. It's a reading comprehension. So this is going to help us with our new topic, which is all about the myths of ancient Greece. So I'd like you to have a look at that, read the text and answer the questions afterwards. Your second activity today is we're going to be starting a new maths unit all about measurement. To do this, we're going to go back to using the keynotes that we started using before we went into our home learning. To access that, you need to follow these instructions. So, on Seesaw, you see the link. You need to select the 3 dots and open in Safari. That'll take you to Safari. It may take a little while to open at this point, so just be patient. You can touch the screen and it will bring up the bar saying Measuring Space, Year 3, Summer 1. If it disappears, that bar, just touch the screen again and then you need to press the 3 dots in the corner and press Open In. That'll bring up this next section. You need to look for Keynote. So if it's not there, press More, scroll down the suggestions and you should see Keynote. So select Copy to Keynote and that should take you then into Keynote. If you get this message, just press Close Presentation. It should then appear ready for you to begin your work. So I'd like you to do your Learning Part 1 Fluency. Once you've completed that, I would like you to then have a go, if you've not already, logging on to Doodle Maths. So the app for Doodle Maths should be on your iPads now. The instructions for logging in are on Seesaw. So just follow those, set up your username and passwords and have a go at what's called 7 a day. Once you've done maths, if you could also try and log in to Doodle English and just have a little look at that as well, that would be brilliant because we're going to use those more and more as the weeks continue. Your third activity today is I would like you to find out where in the world is Greece. So myths of ancient Greece is our new topic, and to start off with, we want you to find out where is Greece. So I'd like you to use Google Earth and have a little look where it is, how far away from us is it in the United Kingdom, what countries is it near, what continent is it in, and then I'll also post a link so you can find out a little bit more information about Greece, such as what language they speak, how many people live there, and we'll use that more and more this week, so that will really help you with our topic task this week. When you've done your research, what I would like you to do is, I'd like you to take 3 screenshots of Google Earth. One showing as much of the world as possible, so that you can see where Greece is in the world. A second picture, which is just of Europe. I'd like you to take a picture of Europe, so you'll have to zoom in to see that, to show us where Greece is in Europe, and then I'd like you to zoom in again and do a screenshot of just Greece. What you're going to then do with those pictures and the information you find out is create a pic collage, just like the one that you should be able to see next to me now. When you've completed your pic collage, please can you upload that to Seesaw? And after that, if you would like a little extra thing to do, we've got a new app on our iPads called World Maps. It helps you to learn the location of lots of different countries and capital cities across the world. I'd like you to go onto that, and I'd like you to select the Europe map and have a go at see how many of those countries and capital cities you know, and see if you can remember where Greece is as well. As a reminder, here are the 4 activities that you are doing today. Number 1, English. You're going to complete your word search and then do the reading task, both of which are on Seesaw. Number 2, you're going to do learning part 1, fluency, of your measurement keynote, and then you're going to log into Doodle Maths and do the 7 a day. You're also then going to try and log into Doodle English as well, so that's all set up ready to go. Number 3, you're going to find out where in the world is Greece. And then number 4, you're going to create a pic collage with the information that you found out in the 3rd activity. Okay, I hope you have a lovely day, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Bye.